How to boot your phone into Android recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, open quick settings panel, so just swipe down and click on power icon and power off. After power off phone, so just wait 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, hold phone and click power button and volume up button at the time, and insert cable and click power button and volume up button at the time. You will see different features. Reboot system now. Apply update from ADB. Apply update from SD card. Web date and click on View recovery log and power off. Click on View recovery log. After click on View recovery log. After the process, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can boot your phone into Android recovery mode on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.